Okay guys, we're here. We just installed the Haze Fab headlights on this side. Boiler's still pretty dirty. Got the front hatch open. Lean it back a little bit. So here's your factory. And here's the Haze Fab. And I'll give you a little taste.
I think I figured out the best place to zip tie that, by the way.
And that, well, factory bulb, that's about what the factory bulb looks like. Can't hardly tell. And I'll go more in depth on this side. I just didn't want a video and show y'all our screw ups. Took us about what, 15 minutes, somewhere in there.
15, 30 minutes.
I don't know, whatever. We figured out that there's a bolt on the back side. And you have to take these star bolts right here to get to it. It's on the inside. I'll show. I'm trying to just make one continuous. Where's the old headlight? Oh, there it is. Okay, where's the inside? You got a bolt hole there, and that goes on the very inside, and it's dang near impossible to get to unless you take these star bits out, and they're like that long. So yeah, alright, I'll check back with y'all in just a second. There's the stock headlight. There's the Haze Fab. And here's what it looks like difference-wise. Spring on it. Gonna do our best here. I'm filming while Cody is going to remove the bolt. It's just like a T4. It's a T20, my bad, not T40. T20 bolt. So, go ahead. Yep, that's about it. And then that loosens the top bolt, and then there'll be one bolt on the back side that's up under here. Right there. So there's that bolt. There's the 10mm that we had already taken out. This is probably the hardest part, is getting this out. Hey, we should try to get the bolt out on the other side. That might make it easier. It'll probably slide. What do you think? So this is the problem, is getting these little, getting this out right here. This is the biggest problem we had. So about to try to get that out. Just use a long flathead. Without trying to break it. I didn't break the other side, so
I forget how I put it in on the other side.
I don't know either. We just finally got tired of it. This is what took the longest on the other side. Got my supervisors over there. They're not doing very good. That's it. Oh, you had it. Come on. Very flexible. Thank you, Cody. It's on the very back side, and like I said, you have to take the 2 star bit holes. One right there, one right there. Sorry for the horrible footage, but just something for y'all to watch. The 850 build, slowly but surely coming along, piece by piece. That's what it looks like, little baby bolt, and we will not be using these bolts. Haze Fab provides you with these fancy little Phillips head bolts, not star heads, screw star heads. Polaris does not need to use so many star bits. So yeah, there's the old headlight. Let's go ahead and oh yeah, the adjustment on those is pretty easy. All you do is get a 10mm, loosen these up and adjust them however you want. We had to adjust one. I'm guessing it got knocked around in the box, maybe. I might have done it. Who knows? So these appear to be straight, but we won't really know till we get them in the box. I mean, we get them in the hole. Bring out. Seemed like the smart thing to do. There's a little adjustment spring there, so it would sit a little bit more flush. Don't know. Won't really know until we get to riding. So yeah, who knows?
That's if you had to replace these, you could take it out.
Oh, I see what you're talking about.
Yeah, I reckon that's what that's for.
Yeah.
You ready?
Yeah, I'm recording. I recorded that whole entire.
Oh, okay.
You're good. You're off a little bit on the there. Oh no, you're missing. There it is. Put that bottom one in first, probably.
Makes it kind of difficult when me and the camera have to see.
Oh, if you need to be up here, I can move the camera down. Oh, listen to that dirt. Yummy. That Natchez Trace. Oh, no, that's 252. Hey, quit. Dog. And that top one in there. Can get it in the hole.
It's hard, man.
It's hard life.
It's a hard life, man. The struggle's real.
And there's one down here. I'll show y'all after he gets the bolt in. Isn't it the inside one that you just about have to have a swivel for? The inside one is, oh my god, that thing's covered in mud. You need, what do you need? You need like some spray or something?
Oh, I got it.
Oh, he's got it.
Just put it in a dirty hole.
It's
This one. Oh,
yeah.
well, it's on the other side. This side, it looks like I can get to it.
possibly.
Just
I think it's
fine.
the radiator that, yeah.
Yeah, this side.
Well,
Well,
you
you
want
miss
a
it.
longer screwdriver?
Yeah, with right here.
Okay.
With a longer screwdriver, you can get to this one just fine. On the other side, that radiator's in the way. So you have to kind of do some.
Finagling.
Yeah. I took a little.
And these bolts go in super easy once you get them started.
Yourself
They're like a perfect, well, I know that. They're like a perfect fit. Like these are like probably, other than sitting there figuring out how to get those tabs out without breaking them, which we didn't know they were that bendy. Other than that, if we would have known better. Battery empty. Why is it still recording?
America. Main.
Well, yeah, that's it. I hope it's still recording. I don't know if it is or not. The battery's going dead. It's because whenever you tightened it up, it got crooked. No.
Okay.
I don't know if I'm still recording.
You're getting tight. That one isn't.
Use the correct tools on removing stuff like this. See if Cody can do this without breaking a tab. There's one. Don't burn yourself. Headlights still break. I mean,
It ain't hot. I
still
done
hot.
felt
Oh,
it.
okay. Got one side.
Yeah, burnt myself.
And the other side went back. Work it out of there. Yep. Little bent. Mint condition. Oh yeah, this is
Axles look bent.
in that video.
Okay.
Okay, so here we had an issue on the other side.
Grab the old headlight.
Okay, yeah.
Bulb. Okay.